Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Mode 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to perform a hardware reset on them. Now this is not a factory reset. It's not going to delete all the pairing history. It's not going to, remove all the settings and everything like that and remove it from the app so it won't pair with the app anymore. It's basically just a force restart. It's forcing to disconnect the battery and then reconnect it to clear out any errors. The only reason you're going to want to do this, like if these earbuds are frozen or like they're not connecting, or if they're stuck paired to something and you can't get them paired to something new, kind of issues like that where they're acting erratic or bugging can very often be fixed with this. And so all we need to do is put the earbuds in the case, and then we're just going to come and press and hold the pairing button for 10 seconds until the LEDs on both of the earbuds flash 3 times. This means that the earbuds have been basically disconnected from their power. The circuit board in them has been disconnected from power and then reconnected. And then we can try to get them working, then just try to pair them again, connect them again, and see if that doesn't fix your issue. Now, if it doesn't fix your issue, what you're going to want to do is move on to an actual factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description into how to do that. If this video helped you, though, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.